how to find circle code on Life360 app, or how you can invite from circle code Life360 app. So to use or find the circle code on the Life360 app for inviting someone to join your circle, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. So to find your circle code, you have to open up the Life360 app on your device. Just go and open up your Life360 app. Once you have opened up your Life360 app on your mobile device here, you have to go to your circle. So you have to click on the top left for your gear icon and go for your circle management. Once you are on your circle, you have to select the one you want to invite someone from the screen here. So just go and add the circle member and you can find the invitation link here, and you can select the circle management here and you can find the invitation link or code here, and you have to tap on the invite new member. See the display, you will have the invite code on your screen which is displayed here. You can see that you can send the code to your friend by using your different social medias here. So with the help of this process, you can easily find the circle code on your Life360 app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.